Hi, I'm Lauren Carroll Broker, owner with Shoreline Realty, Conway. If you're thinking about buying a home in the Conway or Greater Horry County area, you're in the right place. Whether it's your first home, your forever home, or an investment property, we're here to guide you every step of the way. At Shoreline Realty, Conway, we don't just help you find a house, we help you find your home. Our team is known for local expertise, trusted advice, strong negotiation skills, and a deep commitment to doing what's right for you. First, we sit down with you to understand your goals, budget, lifestyle, and must haves. Are you looking for space to grow, a quiet neighborhood, or easy access to the beach or downtown Conway? We take the time to listen so we can deliver exactly what you need. Before we start the search, we'll connect you with trusted local lenders who can help you get pre approved. This step helps us focus your home search and strengthens your position when it's time to make an offer. Now the fun begins. We'll search together for homes that fit your lifestyle and budget, and we'll keep it efficient and exciting. You'll get real time updates, private showings, and expert insights on every home we visit. As local experts, we'll help you understand market trends, neighborhood values, and what to expect. You'll know what homes are worth and when it's time to act. When you find the right home, we move fast with a well crafted offer. We'll guide you through price, terms, contingencies, and timelines, ensuring everything is tailored to protect your best interests. We negotiate on your behalf with confidence and ethics. Whether it's price, repairs, or timelines, we work to get you the best terms possible, and we coordinate inspections, appraisals, and every detail to protect your investment. Closing day is just the beginning. We're with you to the finish line, Chitin and beyond. Need help with movers, utilities, or local services? We've got trusted recommendations. We're your neighbors, and we're here even after the sale. Our buyers choose us because they know we lead with integrity, attention to detail, and a genuine passion for helping people find the right home. We're not just in this for the sale, we're in it for your success. If you're ready to begin your home buying journey, or even if you're just curious about what's possible, let's talk. At Shoreline Realty, Conway, we make buying a home feel clear, calm, and exciting. Your future home is out there, and we'd be honored to help you find it. Shoreline Realty, Conway located at 1805 McDermott Street, Conway, South Carolina. Phone number 843-488-0589. Website www.movetoconway.com.